So I took the time to assemble most of it and realized that the table, see these little holes right here? They're put in the wrong freaking side. They're supposed to be on the bottom, and you put a screw through the, the frame's hole, but there's nothing. They put it in the wrong freaking side. And even if I was to flip this over, this piece, it wouldn't work if you flip it. These are supposed to be on the bottom. This one was done right. This one was done wrong. So basically the entire thing is deemed useless because this cannot be drilled. Good job.
Pull into your room. Triple monitor space, desk, drawer under it, extra part. But yeah, 27 inch, 32 inch, 27 inch, and a tablet on the side with a lamp. Plenty of room.